Everybody's creating content, including your competitors, but when you try it, man, it's a lot of work and you feel like giving up. But I get it. It's really hard to keep up with all these content creation, especially when you're trying to run a business on top of that and you probably have a family to take care of as well. Like I do. I've been making content for the past 5 years and even I feel burned out until I discovered this one secret strategy to batch create all of my content with minimal effort so it frees up my week to actually run my business and not worry about creating content every day. And I've been sharing this secret strategy to my community and they have nothing but good things to say about this strategy. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I batch create 1 month worth of content in 1 hour. By the way, if you want a shortcut to launch your next 3 YouTube video ideas quick, download my Binge Builder Kit. It's your next 3 YouTube video ideas complete with titles, thumbnails, and script outline. Link down below. All right, I'm just gonna draw how this whole thing works for you. So if you're a coach or consultant, you most likely have a 1 hour consulting call with a client or maybe a 1 hour group coaching with your community. You probably have a recording of that, right? So if you have a recording, you most likely would have the transcript from that call as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to your Google Drive or Gmail, go find where that transcript is. This is what I'm gonna be calling the consulting game plan. So you're gonna get that 1 hour consultation recording, get the transcript, and then you're gonna put in an AI special prompt, right? So let me walk you through that prompt right now. In that prompt, you're gonna say, this is a consultation call between me and this client of mine. I run this kind of business. My goal is to extract as many questions from our session and answer them in several YouTube videos so it will be relatable to other potential clients who want to work with me. So what I need your help with is extract as many questions that they have about YouTube for their business and use the exact words that they use. Some points of these questions will be very similar in flavor, so why don't you group them together and I'm going to be answering them in a YouTube video. So give me the YouTube title as well based on the title SWOT file that I'm going to attach together with this. Each video should pique my ideal client profile's interest about YouTube for their business and answer one burning question they have about it. Each video will accompany a simple doodle to visualize the point of each video that I will draw for the thumbnail. So makes this whole thing easy. And number 4, write the script outline that contains the 1-sentence relatable hook, twist the page. In this video, you'll learn the points and then the bullet points of the video outline. Sometimes the AI will not give you really good answers, so you can prune out the ones that you feel like, this is not so relevant. But in my case, when I tried it, they gave me 5 YouTube video ideas and all 5 are good. So what I want to do is next, I want to prepare the outline to create this YouTube script, right? But instead of doing it on my own, I again AI to help me with that. So here's the follow-up prompt. These 5 YouTube videos are all banger. My plan is to record all these 5 videos in a live stream tonight, each with a proper beginning and ending. Then I'll download the video and chop it up into individual YouTube videos. So at the end of it, I'll have 6 YouTube videos, the 5 long form from the list you gave me, plus the original live stream, which is 1 hour. So 6 long form YouTube videos, a sales asset out there, ready to go. Since we are covering 5 videos in one live stream, what should be the title of the main live stream? So what will happen is it will spit out something like this. So all of the script will be in one Google Doc, right? So video 1, video 2, video 3, 4, 5. So they gave out your main live stream should be called this. If I were starting a coaching channel in 2025, this is my exact game plan, which is correct. So the hook, this is what Gemini gave me. I just got off a call with a coach who's overthinking every single step of her YouTube journey, the promise. So today I'm going to give you the full playbook, no gatekeeping. If I started a coaching channel in 2025, this is my exact game plan. In this long live stream video, we're going to be covering 5 topics. So those 5 topics are the 5 YouTube videos. Video number 1 is getting started on YouTube is hard until you do this. The next video is the only 3 types of videos you actually need to get clients. Sharing your story is cringe, do this instead. How I create one YouTube video in 3 hours and how I plan to make it shorter, and why focusing only on the YouTube video views alone is a mistake. Do this instead. So then I get straight into video number 1. Getting started is hard until you learn this. I start with the hook. I consulted this mindset coach who felt she needed her entire YouTube strategy perfectly lined up just to start. And then I go into the body of that video, which is just bullet points, but because I'm the coach or consultant, I can riff off this. I know this at the back of my hand. And the outro is like, now you know how to get video ideas you're confident enough to record, but you only need to do 3 types of the videos from this list to get clients. If you want to know what those are, watch this video next. Then I pause, I say cut, and then I can have a little bit of a water break. Okay, got my water. And then we go back to video number 2. You just keep on rocking and rolling. Start with a hook. So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're afraid of giving away all your secrets. See, that's a good hook for video number 2. So in this video, you're going to be learning 3 types of videos that build authority without giving everything away for free so you can get clients online. Then goes into the body, point 1, 2, 3, outro. Now you know what to talk about in your video to get clients, but you still feel cringe every time you want to tell a story. If you don't want to feel cringe, watch this video next. And then cut, take another break, but the live stream is still running, right? Take another break. And then you go straight into video number 3, hook. So you need to share your story to get clients, but you're afraid of being cringe in your videos and being too vulnerable. What if nobody wants to hire you? Then go into the body of the video all the way down till you complete all 5 or 3 or whatever. And at the end, you wrap up the live stream. So there you go. It's been a long video. I get 5 YouTube videos out of this one. If you want my help, link down below. And of course, leave a comment if you have any questions about any of the stuff we talk about. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next live stream. Bam. There you go. End live stream. And instead of recording them one by one, that's going to take you a lot of time and you're going to be a perfectionist. You don't think it's good. You're going to reshoot and going to waste your time. The secret strategy is to record all these 5 video ideas back to back in one live stream. Just create one live stream and don't worry if nobody shows up, because the point is to get the recording. Okay, so now you're done with your live stream. The live stream will go public and it will take about a day to process so you can download it. In the meantime, you can send an email like, hey, I just did this live stream. In this live stream, I teach you how to do this and this. Go check it out. Click here, brings people to that live stream. And that could also be your LinkedIn post. Last Monday, I launched this live stream. If you missed it, here's the link. A day later, you can download the live stream and put it in Descript. You can chop up that 1 hour live stream into 5 individual YouTube videos. These 5 video ideas can be posted 1 a week. So that means you have more than 1 month of content. Or if you want to post 2 videos a week, that gives you roughly about 3 weeks of content done, right? When you start having a live stream, this is the main live stream, chop it up into these 5 individual YouTube videos. And they all publish with a cadence of every 2 or 3 days because I want to grow fast, so I publish more. So let's say I space it out Monday, Friday, and Sunday, for example, to publish these videos. And every time I publish the video, I send an email list. Today, I'm going to be talking about this, which is the topic of that one YouTube video. And from that could be my LinkedIn post. And you can use Descript to chop up the individual YouTube video into short vertical videos. So usually for me, one YouTube video, I can extract about 2 to 3 shorts that are good. And I just schedule those out, okay? So you're gonna have about 3 to 5 videos from that one live stream, right? Just look at the amount of content you can have. So here's another bonus section to get even more content. These are for shorts or IG Reels, and it's simply to answer the questions that your client has asked in the transcript. If you go back to AI, these are the input that I gave them, and then they list out all the exact words that the client would ask. So simply whip out your phone and answer these questions. That's your IG Reel. This coach is a mindset coach. If I'm starting the channel, I have nothing, no one knows me. Is it recommendable to go so deep into my thing that I talk about my system, or just keep it kind of like top level stuff? That's a good question to answer. That is one reel. I could be walking down with my daughter and just talk to the camera answering that. That's one reel. Boom. There's so many questions here. I can just answer these one by one. This is what it may look like. If you go into Reels, it's just me answering questions. Now, my Instagram is not that amazing. Somebody asked me LinkedIn versus YouTube, so I just answer that. And that's how you do the Reels. Really simple. All right. So there you go. Let me zoom out. Let's wrap it up here. 1 hour consultation. Get the transcript, put it into AI, ask them to extract the questions and compile them into YouTube video ideas, and then give me the titles as well. They're going to spit out a bunch of video ideas. In my case, it was 5 YouTube video ideas. I like all of them. Instead of me preparing the outline one by one, I come back to AI and ask them to help me prepare the outline and the intro for the live stream. Then I record the live stream answering all 5 questions in 5 individual YouTube videos, and then the main live stream will be published. I email that to my list, let my community know, and when the live stream is ready, I download it, chop it out into 5 YouTube videos using Descript. I may space it out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Friday, Sunday, doesn't matter, whatever your schedule is. For each video, I can let my email list know again what they're gonna learn today. If they need help, click on the link down below. Let my community also know, and I could also extract shorts from the long YouTube video here. So usually one long form YouTube video can have around 2 to 3 shorts for me. That is even more content that I can schedule out in the future. For bonus, I can go back to the questions that the AI extract verbatim, and I simply whip out my phone and answer the question in a short vertical video. One question, one reel. That's it. Just look, from 1 hour consultation, you have all this stuff. It's crazy, right? This is how you don't burn out creating content as a business owner, especially if you're a coach or consultant. So now you know how to create 1 month worth of content without burning out in 1 hour. So the next thing you need to know is how to tell an effective story in the first place so people want to continue watching your video, catch your vibe, and decide if they want to work with you. And if you want to know how to do that, watch this video next.